Hello, I'm Chico. It's a cold or owl starch box
Okay.
puzzle.
Okay.
Let's see what was inside.
What is the first one?
A9, A1, A4, and A5.
So you have A, B, C, D board. You can start now. And this one.
This is A9.
Yes. Okay.
These are very easy.
A1. Where's the A1?
There. If it A4.
Yes. That's correct. You're correct. You're correct.
Yay!
Okay. Everything is fine. That one, A7. Get it.
What is the position?
Look at the picture.
Like this?
Look at the picture. That one, correct.
Wait, I just need to make it stabilize.
Okay, and another A. Yes, that's correct. Like that. Already. So already.
Except for this.
What is the number?
B3.
What do you need to... there. There and there. Okay.
Like this.
Yes.
Does it look
Yes.
similar to our face?
Yes. Correct.
Perfect.
And then, what's next?
B70 then. We need those crane like eyebrows.
And D10.
Like this. Like this or like this.
Oh, look at the picture. You,
It should
you already
be
know how
like
to do it.
this.
That one. Okay, the other one.
Yay! It is easy to put in this one.
Okay, what's next?
B1, B2.
Use your pencil.
Don't need to. Just one push.
Look at the direction. There's an arrow.
Like this.
Yes. Correct direction. What else? What's the next one?
B7.
And then 7. And then what
4,
else? P4 and
2, 1.
okay. Oh, look at the. Wow, I think it's correct.
Oh no.
It's
going
correct.
down.
It's correct. What's next?
The glasses.
The eyeglasses.
A3.
A3. The A.
without this all.
Careful. You have to be very careful. Yeah,
See?
correct.
Wow, I have almost engineering skills.
Wow. Next, step 2. That's correct. That one, but
Like this.
I think the direction is not correct. Look at the drawing. You can find to do it. Prepare A2 and A1. Is that A2?
Yes.
I think it's reverse. That one. Because a little bit tricky. Yes. You have to put it in the hole.
Like this.
Yes, you have to put it in the hole.
Yes. We are now
Then-
having an owl flame.
And then,
B10 and 11. But we will use it for later.
yes,
It's
wow,
cute
correct.
Oh, wait a minute. It's wrong.
It's already correct. Support. Yes. You have to support with your finger. Wow.
Is it the correct way?
Yes. Support it with your finger. What's next?
We need the softener, or known as lock.
Yes. Next. What's next?
Are we ready, number 3? Lip.
Wow, step 3.
We need
This one.
we need this one
Oh.
and those elastics.
Yes. Okay.
And of course we need this.
Okay. And another one with
These
this.
are stretchy.
Let's put it aside first. Look at the direction.
Wait,
Yes,
like
that's
this.
correct. Then put all the. Yes, that's correct. It's correct.
Finish.
There.
It needs to put right.
Support by your fingers. Okay. Good.
We should be very
Good job.
This.
Look at the direction.
Okay.
Push. And also the other one. Both of them. Push. Put it. You are now putting by step 4. Like that. It's correct. That's correct.